Don't do it the old way, do it the new way.
Today's Community Spotlight is brought to you by New Way Restoration and Cleaning. I'm Dave Stevens with New Way Restoration and Cleaning. Today I am here with
Steve Kauffman, CM Metals.
Steve, thank you so much for carving out some time for me today to come in here and you show me some of the manufacturing processes. I really appreciate that, man. That was really cool to see some of the inner workings of the machine. So, tell me a little bit about what you guys do here at CM Metals. What started the whole shindig?
Yeah, well, I think it was 1987 when Calvin started. He was hauling cattle, and at the time, and then some farmers had asked him if he knows where they can buy metal roofing for their barns. So that's how this all started. And for a time, he went out to Indiana. He found a company in Indiana that was manufacturing the metal roofing, and he would travel out there and he would take orders from farmers and travel out there and load up their orders and bring them back and deliver
Clear
them.
out to Indiana.
Yes.
Wow.
So he got busy enough with that finally the owner of that company told him he better stay at home and sell, and they'll bring it to him.
Okay.
With a semi, you know.
Yeah.
So that's how it all started. So we did that for, well, about 35 years actually. We did it that way, and then yeah, and then we decided in 2000, around 2020, we decided to put our own equipment in, and took a couple years for that process to happen, and a lot of excavating and all that. But in 2022, in the spring, March, we started roll forming our own metal. So
wow. That's
manufacturing
awesome.
our own metal and trim.
So was it always electronic? You guys always had those industrial machines, or did you do some of that manually?
Well, before
Like the
2022, we bought it in.
Yeah. You
bought
got
in
it. You just shipped it that
as
way.
a finished product.
Gotcha.
You know. In 2022, we started manufacturing. So
Excellent.
our own, yeah.
Excellent. And those machines are very impressive.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome
neat.
looking stuff.
Yeah.
You were telling me earlier that this is actually the warehouse, what we're sitting in right now.
Yeah, this is our original warehouse.
Okay.
We used to have metal shelves on the walls, and this part that's two-story now used to be part of the building. So we actually took the trusses off and raised this roof and made this two-story. Yeah, made this two-story with offices up here. And, yeah, but yeah, this was all warehouse, and we had a little corner office back in the corner for Calvin.
Yeah.
And then we outgrew that, and we built that lean-to down below.
Okay.
And had offices in it for a while, and then finally we decided we got to
dedicate
this whole building
Yeah.
for offices. So yeah, that was in 2005, I believe.
Wow. I was 6 years old.
Yeah.
So why don't you tell me a little bit about what you guys sell here? What do you guys have? Metal roofing, but I understand that you have several other products that coincide. What's going on with that?
Yeah. So yeah, we do our calling card is our metal roofing and siding.
Sure.
But we also sell the portable storage buildings. We build and sell them here.
Yeah, you were showing me some of that.
That we started doing that as a fill-in when it wasn't busy in the wintertime. We all know how Garrett County winters are, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
So,
They're my favorite.
yeah. I don't know if I can say that, but
I say it with reluctance.
yes.
Yep.
But anyway, so we build the little storage buildings, and then We also do the post frame buildings.
Okay. You get
Josh
some of
Perry in our office, he sets people up to win with them. Anywhere from 12 by 20 to 80 by 200 hay barn, you know, he can fix people up with that. So
Sounds great. What a guy.
yeah,
What a guy. Takes a good strong team to
yeah,
kind of man all of those kinds of projects every day. Your
does.
son Cameron also mans up some of that, correct?
Yes, he does.
What does he do here?
He heads up the installed sales department
Okay.
on the roofing side, which is kind of a separate thing, but still under the same roof, I guess.
You guys, all of you that work up here in the office are very servant leadership and faith-based leadership. From what I've seen, that's how a lot of your company culture is here. So,
Yeah.
you care to elaborate on that?
Yeah. Well, I think it's important to come to work with the right mindset,
Sure.
and that mindset has to do with serving people.
Yeah.
In fact, our company mission statement talks about that we want to have an environment where we can work together and we can serve each other as
Yeah.
fellow employees, and by that we serve our customers,
Yeah.
and in so doing provide a quality building materials,
Yeah.
roofing, siding, whatever it may be.
And customer service.
And customer service, right
Yeah.
on. Yeah. So that is our goal here, that, you know, by working together and having a strong team, and that's always a work in progress,
Sure.
working on ourselves. So, yeah, but we believe that. And in fact, our mission statement says, in the Spirit of Christ,
Right.
who died for us. So
Right. So that's our source, right?
that's our source. We believe that.
Yep,
Yes.
absolutely. I do as well. And I think that it's amazing that it can be not just a personal vendetta, but also a company culture.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this is your everyday life. A lot of people spend most of their lives at work.
That's right.
So having that as your foundation at work is incredible to have somebody that's also a believer of Christ. So it also coincides with some of our values at New Way. Good stewardship and compassion is one. I think that's one of our biggest ones. You know, I think that is overlooked quite often. Stewardship of, and not necessarily talking personally about my company or yours, just customers, you know, people don't care anymore.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so to steward those people and to show compassion, and then our next line of that is we serve.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
servant leadership is certainly part of our culture as well.
Yeah.
So I admire that about CN. It's pretty awesome. So some of your manufacturing processes, we talked about the outbuildings that you guys build over in your other shop. You get some of the rafters from just down the street here at your neighbors.
Yes.
Mr. Nagy. Hey, thanks, Mr. Nagy.
Thank you, Ron.
Yeah, he's a good guy. What else do you guys manufacture in-house? You tell me a little bit about some of your rolled steel. What are the processes for that?
Yeah. Well, we talked a little bit about us buying the metal starting in 1987,
Sure.
buying it. In 2022, we started roll forming our own metal.
Yeah.
And manufacturing our own trims and all that. So that's really been a game changer for us here at CN.
Sure.
It's helped us and allowed us to better serve our customers, have quicker turnarounds, and also helped us become or have more control over the quality and
Sure.
pricing. So
Yeah.
we try to buy right so we can sell right,
Yeah.
and it's just given us a lot more options.
Yeah.
serve people, and so we can, any custom trims, we are able to make any custom trims that somebody needs, like say post covers or it's just beam covers or
Sure.
anything that may rise up that a customer needs, and along with manufacturing all our roofing panels and standing seam panels, metal siding, whether that be the standard ag panel that we've branded C-Lock. That can be used on roofing and siding. Or our new product is the wall lock system. It's a metal board and batten system.
Really?
That is available in, I believe, 10 different wood grains and I think 9 different painted colors that we do it in. So we've just released that this past winter. We've been working with it and trying to develop it for most of the year 2025, but we're ready to go with it now, and it's starting to move. So
that's great.
Yes,
I'd love to hear that. In the wintertime, obviously you guys are doing the buildings now, but you also have a service here that kind of stays fairly busy throughout the year. That's garage doors, correct?
Yeah. We are a CHI dealer, CHI garage door dealer. Have been for probably 30 years now. We were probably the first in this area with them, and
I'd say so. You guys are hopping.
CHI is a big company anymore. They offer a full line of garage doors that we sell and install and service. Right now we only have one crew, so we're looking for a good leader for our other crew. So I'll put a plug in for that. We're looking for at least one good man, maybe a few good men. So
gotcha. Teachable.
Yes. Teachable and
require any kind of experience.
Some construction experience is helpful.
Sure.
Mechanical experience is helpful because there's a lot of mechanic experience in the. There's a lot of mechanical things in the garage door.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that is helpful, but the most important thing is availability and ability to learn.
Yeah.
Because we can teach.
Yeah.
So
right.
We also sending our people into people's homes requires the right kind of person, so we don't just send anybody into somebody's home.
Yeah.
So we want somebody that is customer service oriented.
Sure. Just a little friendly.
Friendly, and that's very helpful.
Absolutely. So to coincide with all of these excellent buildings and garage doors, Colin's scheduled today because they are hopping busy, like ASAP. Like if you need it this summer, get on the schedule. That's what I'm talking about, Bob. Anyway, you guys have some pretty excellent outdoor furniture. That you guys
we
sell
do.
Here. Tell me a little bit about those. Saw some of the rockers, gliders. What else you got?
So it's poly lawn furniture. We get it out of Ohio. It's manufactured in Ohio, and we stock 3 different colors. And we stock like a 5-foot wide glider. We stock 2-foot gliders. We have like full dining room tables, balcony tables. The balcony tables sit just a little bit higher. It's a really nice setting. Swings, and some other things. Yeah, that we stock a good bit of that actually here in 3 different colors. And if we don't have it, we can get it. So
that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. So it's sitting around. We have it sitting around different spaces outside on display. So come check it out. We think you'll like our prices.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure. So in addition to all of these wonderful services that you provide, where can people find them? Where can people find them? They can find you online somewhere?
Yeah. Yeah, well, our website is cnmetalsllc.com. We've had that website for a while. It's being updated right now.
Okay.
But it's there. Also on Facebook and Instagram. And our phone number, it's probably important, 301-334-9170.
301-334-9170. If you can't remember that, I don't know what to tell you. You're just in bad shape. But yeah, guys, let's continue to support local business. Go and check them out on Facebook if you like what you saw today with me and Steve here. Hit a like button down below, share the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.
So in here you'll see loading and unloading and see our operations happening. We'll walk through a little bit. This is where we bring our steel into for customers to pick up and for our drivers to load their trucks and take off. And so this is a happening area usually. Oh. Yeah. So this was our original warehouse where we used to bring metal in from Indiana, unload semis here, and then customers back in and load up. And then a couple years ago when we put the manufacturing in, then instead of buying it in from another manufacturer, now we manufacture our own. And so they transfer it from manufacturing.
All the metal working.
All the metal working, yeah. So we buy it in coil form now, flat metal. Morning, Louie. We'll just poke our neck into this back here a little bit. So this is
it's good in here.
the shop where we manufacture our little portable buildings that we sell.
All of them. So they're built inside.
Yeah.
And then shipped on a semi.
We have a pickup truck and a specialized trailer that we haul them with.
Hot dog.
Yeah. Yeah.
What kind of pick 'em up truck gets the job done?
It's just a Dodge ton truck, like a 3500 Dodge flatbed, and the trailer's pretty next level.
Hey, that's
tilts and dumps and extends and side shifts and
I'm sure my pap would have loved to have that.
Yeah. That would have been something he would have been loved. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So this is where it's happening. 14 by 20. So this is building number 15 for the year.
Okay. Now, what about the rafters? You get those from your neighbor?
We do. Yep.
Right up the road, old Bridget Ply.
Yep.
Look at that hot dog.
I don't know if you want to shoot into our trim room a little bit.
Sure. Absolutely.
Yeah. It's just where we keep all the trims and components that we need to trim out a building.
Good coffee. Oh, yeah. What's on down here? Is that just all supplies?
Screws, roof flashings, all kinds of accessories. Yep. Like things that you use to seal the pipes coming out of a roof, fasteners. Yep. We'll see the manufacturing operation.
Okay. Sounds good.
Man, it's beautiful.
It is.
Crisp, but beautiful. So this is where we have two different grades of coils here. This is a trim coil. They put on the uncoiler and then it's a slit line where they slit the different widths to get the different trims that we make on these machines.
Gotcha.
Yeah. These are the guys that make it happen all, so we can help our customers. Yep. There's 6 different trim roll formers here, like 6 different trims that we roll form, and then this is the machine, the trim former that does the rest of the trims on here, like custom trims.
Same thing with that machine over there. The other 2. Those are your normal.
These are trim roll formers. The far one is actually the panel roll former that actually makes the panels. Yep. When the metal comes off of this coil, they run it through this slitting machine, and you see the knives here.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. You see the knives there, and they slit different widths of flats that will become different kinds of trim and all that. So
Gotcha.
it's like a giant noodle cutter. Yeah.
That's the most expensive pasta machine I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah. Then they use it. They put the flats on these tables. See over there's some flats ready to go.
Okay.
And then they'll come to the different machines where they manufacture the trims. Yep.
How many
Here's some ready
different
to go.
color flats do you guys get?
Oh, we have, I think 20, 24, 25 different colors now, something like that. Yeah, lots of different
Pretty
choices.
extensive.
This machine here is our most high-tech machine. They can literally make, this is all finger, so they can draw it on here and make whatever they want, you know.
Wow.
So,
And this is a USA machine.
yeah, some German engineering, but it's assembled in the United States.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So here you can see the different profiles as it comes out. In other words, it starts pretty flat where the flat goes in. By the time it comes to the other end, this is a ridge cap. This is an outside corner. That one over there is a J channel. So, yeah.
Several different kinds out of one
Profiles.
machine.
Yep. This one here has a Z bar over here, rat guard or the base trim, and this is fascia. All different widths of fascia. Yep.
Now, can you code these machines to cut different levels, or are they just set where they are?
Cut different levels? No, it's just pretty much set where they are, yeah.
Gotcha.
There's a lot of adjustment, like if we have different thicknesses of metal, we might have to adjust the stands.
Manually.
Yes.
Right.
So that the finished product is still a good product.
Yeah.
And then this is the main machine in the shop that your flat panel goes in and it comes out the other end, a finished panel, like a roofing or siding panel.
So we are outside testing out some of their illustrious, wonderful product, outdoor furniture. This is great. I'm really enjoying this beautiful sunshiny day out here with you. You had a little something else to tell us about. You guys may have expanded.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, we've been thinking about, for quite a few years, we've been thinking about putting like a satellite office somewhere. And
Sure.
so we actually were able to make that happen back in I think it was October of 2025. We opened an office on at 2056 Winters Drive in Pleasant Valley, which is Fairmont, South Fairmont. So we're excited about that, and that's starting to take off. starting to take off. We're starting to see some orders there. Have a great friend of mine there manning that office. So, and he's doing a great job. So.
I love to hear that. Love to hear that. Good businesses always usually flourish whenever you start to expand.
Yeah.
So that's excellent.
Yeah, just the hope is that we can reach out and help more people.
Sure.
Expand our footprint a little bit into West Virginia more.
Yeah.
You know, geographically, where we are here in Garrett County, you know, we're familiar with how Garrett County is shaped.
Yeah.
We're close to West Virginia on what, 3 different sides?
Yeah.
So
Absolutely.
a lot of our business is in West Virginia.
Right.
So.
And we're the same way. We bought what used to be Brad Phillips Electronics over in Thomas.
Okay.
That's right behind the Mountain State Brewery and
Oh yeah.
Mountaintop Convenience. We bought that building, so we're also expanding into West Virginia.
That's great. That's great.
Feel like great pioneers, don't we?
Yeah. But a good partner of ours, a longtime friend that lives over in Fairmont, Bob Doolin, he had a piece of property there, and he offered to build a building and build an office there, and we lease it from him, and so we have a nice setting there, nice setup there, and Phil Doolin is running that office for us.
Great.
Doing a great job, and he's a good friend and a brother. So. Yeah, we're excited about that opportunity, and we're already seeing it expanding our footprint and seeing some things come through because of that. So we're excited about that.
Hey, if you need any of CN Metal services, hey, they're in West Virginia now, in the wild frontier, okay? But so's New Way. So get a hold of either of us. We're here for any of your needs, some of your wants.
Yeah, we're at 2056 Winters Drive in Pleasant Valley, West Virginia. Our phone number over there is 304-534-9449.
Yep. And we're still at the same phone number, 301-334-9275.
Don't do it the old way, do it the new way.
Today's Community Spotlight is brought to you by New Way Restoration and Cleaning.